Hello art friends, we're gonna be doing a anime type thing here with Phosphophy Life, and in this one we've got the figure kind of sitting down with their arms out. Good, get that laid out. All right, you guys stay with your pencil. Here we go. So we're gonna start with some straight lines like that. Put a little suggestion of eyelid in. We're gonna have the eyeball under there. We're not gonna see the bottom of the ball like that. I'm gonna put the mouth under this eyeball, and then the chin is gonna be over here. It's gonna start, come down like that, and come up, and then it meets up with the hair. I've got the hair here. Okay, then we got the chin that comes around. Got some more hair. And eyebrows are kind of going down. I don't think this little character is very happy. All right, there we go. And we'll put some suggestions of hair in here. There, all right. Now for the little neck, coming back down. And then the shirt comes around, back down and up. And then the neck, there we go. Other one is lower, with a V there, and then you have the shoulder, kind of comes up and around, and you have the in here. A little tie coming down, meeting up with the shirt. We'll move that down. There we go. And then got the other shoulder here. And it comes in and it kind of lines up here. Belt, and then we've got the arm about here, comes down, elbow comes across, and then we've got the hand. The wrist. Up. There we go, there's one hand. Here's the other one. And it overlaps. And then you don't really see much of this one. Only a few fingers. That's about it. And then the leg comes out of that, And then we've got the top of the leg here. And it comes up. This goes back up farther like that. And then we've got the other leg. Meets up like that. And then this goes right there. And then this meets in with that, like so. There we go. That's better. Then we got her bum back here. There's that. And you know what? I'm thinking this needs to come up further. Yeah, I like that better. I'm gonna get rid of that line. And then we gotta have her tummy. So, start here, draw that down. And then it's gonna come out. Meet up here. I need to get rid of this. That's not there. That was too far. And now we got her sitting on something, and oh, we missed a little hair here. All right, and there we go. Phosphophy. All right, give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you for